Keep your garden neat and tangle-free with the best garden hose reel wall mount. Designed for durability and ease, it keeps your hose organized, saving space while ensuring effortless watering every time. Number 1. Liberty Garden Hose. Keeping your garden hose organized has never been easier with this durable and stylish hose reel. Designed to hold up to 125 feet of 5/8-inch garden hose, this unit ensures that your hose is always neatly stored and readily accessible when needed. Constructed with heavy-duty steel and finished with a weather-resistant powder coating, this reel is built to last through all seasons. The powder-coated finish adds an extra layer of protection against rust and corrosion, extending its longevity. Unlike many plastic hose reels that crack and degrade over time, this steel construction guarantees reliability and durability. One of the standout features of this hose reel is its ease of use. With a simple pull, you can extend the hose effortlessly, and when you're done, rewinding it for storage is just as simple. The fully assembled design means no complicated setup is required, and it even includes a cushion grip handle for added comfort while winding. Although mounting hardware is not included, installation is straightforward and can be completed with basic tools. Functionality is further enhanced with an integrated storage shelf, which provides a convenient spot to keep frequently used garden tools, nozzles, and other small accessories. The brass and galvanized hose connections ensure a leak-free experience, offering strength and durability for long-term use. This makes it a practical addition to any garden or outdoor space. The stylish design also makes it an attractive feature rather than just a utilitarian accessory. Number 2. Giraffe Garden Hose Reel. A high-quality and versatile solution for your garden watering needs. This hose reel is packed with advanced features to make gardening easier and more efficient. Its patented locking mechanism allows you to pull out the hose and lock it at any desired length, ensuring that every corner of your garden is reached with ease. The added stop ball prevents the hose from retracting too far, preserving its integrity and making it more convenient to use. One of the most impressive aspects of this hose reel is its automatic rewind system. With just a slight tug, the hose smoothly retracts, eliminating the hassle of manual rolling. Thanks to the integrated guide system, the hose retracts without kinks or tangles, keeping it neatly stored and ready for future use. The 100-foot, 1/2-inch hybrid hose is both flexible and durable, designed to withstand 200 psi pressure and 600 psi bursting pressure, ensuring it performs well under various watering conditions. Durability is a key feature, with a reinforced polypropylene casing that resists sun exposure in harsh weather conditions. Installation is straightforward, requiring just a 180-degree rotation bracket and a few screws to mount the reel securely on a wall. Additionally, the quick-release system allows for easy removal and storage when needed. Number 3. Sunpow Garden Hose Reel. A perfect blend of efficiency and organization. This retractable garden hose reel is designed to keep your garden neat while ensuring ease of use. By preventing knots and tangles, it helps extend the life of your hose, making maintenance hassle-free. The smart locking system allows you to control and lock the hose at any desired length, providing flexibility in your watering tasks. This feature is especially useful when dealing with gardens of different sizes or areas that require precision watering. The auto rewind system is a major highlight, providing a smooth and safe retraction process. A gentle pull activates the automatic retraction, ensuring the hose rolls back without tangling. Additionally, the pulley guide rail system offers stability while extending and retracting the hose, reducing wear and tear. The included 180-degree swivel bracket allows the reel to be fixed on a solid wall, providing multi-directional coverage and increasing convenience. Designed for versatility, this hose reel features a 10-function nozzle, catering to a variety of watering needs. Whether you're watering plants, washing vehicles, or cleaning outdoor spaces, you can select the ideal spray pattern for the task at hand. The package includes everything needed for easy installation, including a 50-foot hose reel, function spray nozzle, wall mount, bolts, expansion tubes, and a user manual. Additionally, the hose is built with tough brass fittings, ensuring long-term durability and resistance to corrosion. Number 4. Giraffe Wall Mount Hose Reel. For those who need a dependable and well-designed hose storage solution, this wall-mounted hose reel delivers exceptional performance. Featuring a pre-installed 130-foot hybrid hose, it offers ample reach to cover large garden spaces while ensuring tangle-free storage. The ability to lock the hose at any length allows for controlled use, preventing unnecessary stretching and increasing longevity. The auto rewind system is a game changer, allowing users to retract the hose with a simple tug. The retractable and guide systems work together to prevent kinking, ensuring a smooth and frustration-free experience. The hybrid hose is engineered to withstand high pressure, successfully passing both 200 psi and 600 psi burst tests, making it reliable under demanding conditions. Installation is made easy with a 180-degree rotating bracket that requires just a few screws. The quick-release system allows for effortless removal and storage when necessary. The included 9-pattern nozzle ensures versatility, making this hose reel suitable for various applications, including watering plants, washing vehicles, and even pet bathing. A recommended enhancement for installation is using a post larger than 4x4 for added stability. Whether you're looking for a robust, weather-resistant solution for garden maintenance or an easy-to-use, automated hose reel, this model delivers both functionality and convenience. Number 5. Giraffe Steel Garden Hose Reel. Built for durability and efficiency, this stainless steel hose reel is an excellent option for those who need a heavy-duty solution for hose storage. The industrial-grade stainless steel construction ensures resistance to rust, corrosion, and impact, making it a long-lasting investment for any garden. The solid nickel connectors prevent leaks and wear, providing reliable performance for years to come. One of its best features is the easy winding system, which allows users to neatly wrap their hoses with minimal effort. The included crank handle and hose guide work together to ensure even storage, reducing mess and making it easy to use. The reel accommodates up to 150 feet of 5/8" hose or 200 feet of 1/2" hose, providing ample capacity for large gardens or outdoor areas. Versatility is another key highlight, as the unit can be mounted on either a wall or the floor, depending on user preference. With its heavy metal design, long-lasting build, and user-friendly functionality, this hose reel is a fantastic addition to any home, providing a clutter-free and organized watering solution. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.